Friends, we hope you have been using Kannada language in your daily conversation and appreciate the simplicity of the Kannada language itself. Welcome to Learn Conversational Kannada again. This is scene 9. In this video, this is about men's talk in Kannada, where how do you talk with your neighbors in Kannada language. In this video, you will also learn timelines in Kannada. How do you say yesterday, today, tomorrow, or morning, afternoon, or evening, or night. These words and sentences will be covered in this video. So typically when men conversate with their neighbors, they try to understand where the other person works. So you want to ask, where do you work? You can start by saying, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You can try to use and pronounce it very fluently. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು is you, ಎಲ್ಲಿ is where, ಕೆಲಸ is work, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ is you do. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Or if somebody asks you this way, you can answer ನಾನು business ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If you are doing business, you can say ನಾನು business ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You can also use ವ್ಯವಹಾರ, but ವ್ಯವಹಾರ is typically in conversational Kannada people use the business. ನಾನು business ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ is I do. So once you understand where the other person works, you also might continue asking, how is your work, or how is it going with your work? You can say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಕೆಲಸ is work, ಹೇಗಿದೆ is how is it? How is your work? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Or you can, in a very simple form, you can ask, ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಾ? ಕೆಲಸ is work, ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಾ is a lot. ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಾ. Is it hectic work for you? So you can say, ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನಾ? If the same question is asked to you whether you have more work or is it hectic, you may reply by saying, ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ is bit, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ is more. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ is a typical two consecutive words used to express that it's little bit more. ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆ is it is. ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Or you want to say no, is now there are not much projects or it's less projects. You can say ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ projects ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ is no, ಈಗ is now, ಕಡಿಮೆ is less. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ is more and ಕಡಿಮೆ is less. You can start using this ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ and then ಜಾಸ್ತಿ or ಕಡಿಮೆ. These words. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ means now there are less projects. If you are keen to learn Kannada scripts, so start from you learning the alphabets, and these are covered in our other videos. The links are given in the description below. You want to invite somebody for coffee, your neighbor, you can say coffee ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. Let's have coffee, please come. Coffee ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ is let's have or let's drink. ಬನ್ನಿ means please come. So coffee ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ, tea ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ, or juice ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ. You can use anything and then say ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. Coffee ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. Bani means you're welcoming or inviting them, please come. And then answer can be ಬೇಡ, ನನ್ನ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಬೇಡ is no, and ಆಯಿತು is I had. ನನ್ನ means my. So ಬೇಡ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯಿತು. No, it's okay, I had. You can say ಬೇಡ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಬೇಡ ನನ್ನ ಟೀ ಆಯಿತು, or ಬೇಡ ನನ್ನ ಊಟ ಆಯಿತು. You can say ನನ್ನ ಊಟ ಆಯಿತು or ನನ್ನ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯಿತು, anything. ಆಯಿತು means indicates it's done already. So ಬೇಡ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯಿತು. So other typical thing when you conversate with your neighbor, you ask is, where does your kid study or which school do they go? Then you can say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ is your, ಮಕ್ಕಳು is kids, ಯಾವ is where, ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ they go. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? You can try to make it look like a question. You can say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? Then the answer can be ಅವರು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸೋ ಆನ್ ಸೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆ ಗೋ ಟು ಸೋ ಆನ್ ಸೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಅವರು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇಸ್ ದೆ ಗೋ. ದೆ ಗೋ ಟು ಸೋ ಆನ್ ಸೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಅವರು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. So you want to say somebody that my son studies 10th class. You can say ನನ್ನ ಮಗ 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ or 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ. So typically you can use class itself instead of a pure Kannada word targati. This is conversational Kannada, so you can say ನನ್ನ ಮಗ 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನನ್ನ is my, ಮಗ is son, 10ನೇ means 10th. Targati is class. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗ, my son, 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, 10th standard. Or you have daughter, you can say ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನನ್ನ is my, ಮಗಳು is daughter, 7ನೇ means 7th. ತರಗತಿ is class. You can say ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. So it is better to learn Kannada numbers at least once. So there are separate videos for it. Please check them out. The links are given in the description below. So other thing that typically men are bothered in the apartment, the maintenance, the maintenance increased this month, right? You can say ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು maintenance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು maintenance ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು you means this month, maintenance, and ಜಾಸ್ತಿ is more or increased. ಆಗಿದೆ means it has been done. So ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. This also can be used if you have a pay hike in your company. You can say ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, right? So here in this context, ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Then the other person can ask, ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ means did you pay? ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ means did you pay? ನೀವು is you. ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಾ? Then the answer to that can be ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. I did not pay it today. You can say ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Or you can say ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ means I paid it today. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು means today, ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ or ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. And then you can say ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ means I pay it tomorrow. You can say ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Let's learn some timelines in Kannada. How do you say yesterday, today or tomorrow? Yesterday is ನೆನ್ನೆ. Yesterday I was busy. You can say ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು, that is I, ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was busy. ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. Today is ಇವತ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ. Today is my birthday. You can say ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ. And then tomorrow is ನಾಳೆ. Tomorrow we are going to native. ನಾಳೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಳೆ is tomorrow. ಊರಿಗೆ means native. ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ means we are going. ನಾಳೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So ನೆನ್ನೆ, ಇವತ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. ನೆನ್ನೆ, ಇವತ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ. So let's learn how do you say morning, afternoon or evening and night in Kannada. Morning is ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ. Did you go for walk in the morning? You can say ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ walking ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ means morning, walking. ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ means did you go. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ walking ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ. Afternoon is madhyana or madhyana. So in the conversational Kannada you can say madhyana. So where were you in the afternoon? You can say madhyana ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ. So where did you go or where were you? You can say madhyana ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ or madhyana ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರಿ means where were you. ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ means where did you go. madhyana ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ. And ಸಂಜೆ means evening. Will you meet at the park in the evening? You can say ಸಂಜೆ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸಂಜೆ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. You can say some place. ಸಂಜೆ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸಂಜೆ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಂಜೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. Something you can add there, but you can say ಸಂಜೆ, that is evening. ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ, that is in the park, at the park. ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ means will you meet, ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸಂಜೆ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. ರಾತ್ರಿ means night. So what time do you have dinner? You just want to have a casual conversation with your neighbor. You can say ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ರಾತ್ರಿ is night. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ means what time. ಊಟ is dinner or lunch. In this context it is dinner. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ means you take or you have. What time you have dinner? You can say ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. It's very easy and quick to learn Kannada vowels and alphabets. It's covered in the other videos. The links are given in the description. Also the Kannada consonants are covered in 3 different videos. The links are given in the description. Here is a Kannada question of the day. In this video, you can answer in the comments the meaning of this sentence. ನೀವು ಸಂಜೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೀರಾ. ನೀವು ಸಂಜೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀರಾ. ನೀವು ಸಂಜೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೀರಾ. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? So tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box of this video. You can also learn Kannada language by seeing Kannada movies. There's a fantastic movie called Diya in Amazon Prime. You can watch the Kannada movie Diya with subtitles to learn Kannada language so easily. Don't forget to watch this beautiful movie Diya. There are so many other videos published on Kannada Magic. It's very simple and easy to learn Kannada language. Don't forget to check out all other useful videos on this channel. It is youtube.com/seed/Kannada Magic. Please spread a word on this channel and invite your friends to go through these videos and quickly learn Kannada. Thank you.